how to accept one-time payments and subscriptions on your own site. Stay tuned, because we are going to share a few secrets important to know if you start your own online business. So, let's imagine that you have created a website. It looks great, works fast, creators have already registered and posted content there. A client wants to buy this content and make a payment. How can he make a purchase and where does his money go? Usually, the price of the content is set by the creator, but the client buys this content from you as the owner of the site. More specifically, he buys the content from your company doing the online business. The client makes a payment on a website that belongs to your company, so the money is credited to your company's account. In other words, you sell the content received from creators. Payment should be fast, convenient, and instant. The most suitable payment method is by bank card, PayPal, and something similar. And that's what we usually integrate for our customers. To accept payments on your site, you need to integrate a payment gateway. You can find many billing methods on the internet, but you need to choose the one that suits you. And here, it's important to carefully approach the choice. There are three main criteria: what exactly you're selling, country of registration, and previous experience. If you're selling adult content, then it's important to make sure that the payment gateway accepts it. Each payment system has a list of categories of services and goods that can be sold through them. For example, even the rather popular payment system Stripe does not work with sites selling adult content, but there are other payment gateways that specialize in it. Payment gateway transfers money to you, so it's important to make sure it works with your bank. And not with the bank where your personal account is registered, but with the country of your bank and company registration. You will charge a fee for processing payments, and usually, new adult content sites have a higher percentage, because payments there equals additional risks for the payment gateway. However, the longer payment history you have, more predictable the risks are, and then the percentage can be lowered. Therefore, just be ready for the fact that at the beginning of the journey, the platform's efficiency will not be so high, but after a few months of effective activity, you will be able to optimize your risks and get more profit. Many of our clients use Stripe or PayPal to get started quickly. Getting an account on these platforms is fast and easy. Then you will be able to accumulate statistics quickly, but be careful about selling adult content. A small amount of slight nudity content may not be noticed, but when the turnover increases, you will need to think about switching to an adult-friendly payment gateway as soon as possible. Also, cryptocurrency payments are now becoming extremely popular. And this is not necessarily Bitcoin. It can be stablecoins such as USDC or USDT. Or it can be an integration with a payment gateway that supports simultaneous exchange from any cryptocurrency to the one that is convenient for you. Cryptocurrency is not yet so widespread, but it's the future. It's a convenient, fast, and a relatively anonymous method of transferring money, at least more anonymous than transfers by card or PayPal. You can also use cryptocurrency to provide payouts to your creators. After all, not all creators have the opportunity to work freely and be open to the public. We have established a good relationship with popular payment systems, so they already know the features of a platform, and at the same time, we're familiar with their requirements for customers to get an account. With us, this process gets faster and usually takes 2 or 3 weeks with an average standard time of 45 days. Last but not least, I want to mention that we can integrate any payment system that supports API integration. Our development team is ready to take on any task you may have. For more information, please contact our managers and we will assist you on your journey. The link is in the video description down below. And thank you for watching. Bye!